How did it go?
Well, it went well. What we saw in court today, it's actually judiciary at its best. They took on all the issues, recognized the fact that parties must respect their constitution. And what they have done today is actually a lesson both to the lawyers, the litigants, and the parties that they must respect their constitution. The court upheld the ruling of the judgment of the lower court. And the other good thing is a cost of 10 million was awarded against Abure. And we hope that this matter stops here. Labour Party can then go ahead and enjoy the fruit of the judgment and enjoy as a party. Thank you.
Go from here now?
Oh, of course, the parties will go on. Labour Party has a validly elected leadership under Senator Nenadi Usman. That's the judgment of the court. Thank you.
Sir.
Prof.
Yeah, thank you very much. Well, the deed is done. As you have heard, we have positioned ourselves to go on with the congresses, starting at convention, and so I don't think we hope that the matter ends here. But as it is, even if it doesn't end here, we are ready for whatever comes. But yes, thank you.
We hope it ends
Doesn't
here.
matter. They'll pay more costs.
Yeah, and
Yes.
like we keep saying, our door is open. We are ready for reconciliation. They are brothers. They should come back. And let's make Labour Party work. Labour Party is a big party in Nigeria.
So how do you feel?
I am so elated because justice has finally been served. We knew that they didn't have any case, but all the same, we had to follow them to the Court of Appeal. And today you can see that the trial judges have been able to nail the matter. And we believe that they should come back so that we can build our party. Labour Party is one. And with it, that is the only alternative party, so they should come back so that we can work together. Yeah.
Well, the Court of Appeal has given theirs, and for the value of good governance, quality leadership, and respect for the rule of law, you can see that it's clear that they subverted judgment. And this is a clear case of killing democracy. This is a clear case of political criminality, money changing hands, and support from the courts to those who are in power. And this is a clear case of using state apparatus, state power to subdue political party. This is a political party capture. It is a clear manifestation that the Abia State government is interested in taking over Labour Party, even using the state apparatus. And we are calling on all Nigerians to reject it. Definitely, we'll see ourselves in the Supreme Court. We'll keep fighting this case for the good of our democracy and for the good of the Nigerian people. Labour Party remains the party to beat, and Labour Party remains the party that has Barrister Julius Abure as its lead. We highly reject this judgment. Whether they like it or not, we are not interested in whatever the appeal court has done. We are going to the Supreme Court and we are asking for judgment of justice. Judgment that will give the Nigerian people the legitimate right to play good politics in this democracy.